friends, what's up? How's it going? Out and about. Yesterday I went out to make a video and test my new drone. I brought you guys with me, made a whole video on the ride out there, made a video in the parking lot with the drone doing some maneuvers and all kinds of stuff. And guess what? I forgot to hit the record button. I was so concerned about you know, flying the drone and all the settings and this and that. I forgot to hit the record button, so I got no footage from my drone at all. So today hopefully we can rectify that. I'm gonna meet up with my friend Robert and we're gonna head out into the hill country, have some lunch, and then we're gonna go find an overlook that has some nice views of the hill country and do some drone footage. And hopefully I can, Robert can help me test out the drone as well. I can do some footage of him riding around or something. I don't know, we'll see. But right now I'm going to get gas and then I'm heading over to meet Robert, so I'll see you a little bit later. Okay, we're here. Gas station. Gonna take off, go have lunch. What's in there? Vodka?
Huh?
What do you got in there? Vodka?
No, man, water. I don't go anywhere without this bladder, man.
Okay, gonna head to the restaurant. We're gonna be on, let me get this on. We're gonna be on 1431, which is the fun road. And the sun is popping out a little bit, which is nice. It's 70 degrees already. February, what's today? February 15th. My buddy Robert up here on his RT. And off we go. Whee! A big rock in the road. Okay, well, looks like they're doing some paving. Interruption of our beautiful ride. Okay, we're on our way. Finally. Well, kind of on our way. At least we're moving, right? Oh my god, that smells horrible. It smells like but anyways, here we are, Blue Bonnet Cafe. George Bush 8 here. Okay, well, we ran out of time after lunch. We had to rush with lunch, and then by the time I looked at the clock, I had to go get my son at school and all that good stuff. So we just had to get on the fastest way home. And now I'm back out and going to test this drone. I was just hoping we had time so Robert could help me. He could ride around and I could follow him with the drone, but I'm just going to have to do it by myself and see if I can manage. Woo! Should be fun. And I just purchased insurance. I forget what it's called. They have a special name for it. For the next 2 years, if the drone decides to take off on me and crash or get wet or damaged or any of that stuff, I just have to pay a little bit of money. I have to look at it against a little bit of cash, and they'll give you a new drone. I think it's a couple $100. I'll have to look at it again. I'll put it on the screen right now. Well, I think it's well worth it. Hopefully I don't have to use it, but if I do, at least I'll get a new drone for a fraction of the cost of a brand new one if I didn't have the insurance. So there's that. Next thing I have to do is I have to figure out a way to mount the remote control onto my handlebars, so that when you're filming, or when I'm filming I should say, myself, and the drone is following me, I'm not going to be going over 20 miles an hour, but I do need to be hands-free, and I need to be able to see the screen where the drone is in case the drone decides to take a left when it's supposed to go straight and take off into the woods or something. If you have tubular handlebars, it's pretty easy. There's all kinds of different mounts you can use, but I have these kind of clip-ons that really don't have many places to attach things. So what I'm probably going to do is get another ram mounts and hook up a basic quad lock holder, and then put the quad lock sticky thing on the back of the controller, and then I'll be able to put the controller on to the quad lock and click it on there, and that should hold it in place. Again, I'm not going to be going over 20 miles an hour or so it's not a big deal. We'll make this corner our home base. Okay, we've arrived. Be in follow mode. Where'd it go? Alright, that's not good. Come on, buddy, follow me. I can see it in the mirror, it's coming after me. See if we can land it on our own. Oh, wrong way, dude. Wow, this is really clear. It's a very clear video.
Landing.
Nice. Alright, well that's it. Gonna head home. As always, thanks for joining me on my adventures here. And I'm just going to head home, and it's going to be on this main road, very windy and loud, so I will bid you farewell. Thanks for joining. Later.